Welcome to part 2 of the futures trading course. What we are looking here is the Thinkorswim active futures trading platform side of things. So how you get there is you go under the, we usually look at the monitor tab and our analyze tab, but what we need to do is go into the trade tab, and under the trade tab you have something called the active trader. And we are in the active trader right now. And what it is, this is called a futures trading ladder. So you can see that the futures are very active right now. This happens to be the price at which the S&P futures are trading. So what I have here is the /ES. So this is the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. And you can see it has an expiry of June 2012. So at the end of next month, these futures are going to expire. So if you see, the current trading price is around 13.75. And if you come here and look at the ES, that's what it's trading at. If you look at the SPX, that's what the S&P index closed last night. So the S&P index itself doesn't trade in the after hours. It's only the futures contract that trades. And so you can see today the futures are down $2 from where it closed yesterday. So because these futures contracts are expiring next month, the difference between the futures contract and the actual index itself may not be much, maybe about $1 or maybe $1.50. But when a futures contract just starts trading, so which means it will have about 3 months to expiry, then you'll see that the difference between the futures contract and the S&P 500 index can be as high as up to about $4 or $5. And that's because there is that time element of 3 months that remains to expire. But what we need to see is that the futures contracts are trading over here. And you'll see that the futures contract, you can see on the left-hand side is you'll see stuff in green. So at the 1313.50 level, you have 104 people or 110 people who are willing to buy at that price. And then on the red side of the active trader screen, these are the sellers. So you have 168 contracts available, 383 at the 1314.25 level. And this is what we mean by tick size also. So you can see that the S&P futures trades in tick sizes, and in the case of the S&P, it's the tick size is 25 cents. So what we are going to do is, so you can see the futures contract, it moves, and here these numbers tell you what were the volumes of the contracts traded. So now here again we have the S&P futures contract. So you can see that starting from 3 a.m., which is when the European market comes in, I've put this chart on an hourly basis right here. You can see 2 a.m., 3 a.m. and things like that. And the Asian market, you do have some volume. So you can see that at 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. Eastern time, the volume was 3,304. You can see that over here. And as we approach the European market open, that's when the volume starts going up. You can see